Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube thumbnail in a CapCut web version. All you have to do now, you can open your browser and access CapCut.com. Don't forget to sign in and log in with your account. Let's get started. This is the home screen. This is the start screen. So you can click on image, and here we go. This is the YouTube thumbnail. Click it. And this is the CapCut image editor. So here you can try this template in order to create your YouTube thumbnails. So here, or you can design by yourself without using a templates, but I recommend you to use the template to shorten your time. So here, for example, even you can try to edit this text like reposition, or try to recolor and so on. Even you can try to change this PNG or vector image. So feel free to try to create and design your YouTube channel, your thumbnail YouTube channels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.